Hidden within the breathtaking landscapes of Ninh Binh, Thung offers an experience unlike any other, gliding gently across tranquil waters, surrounded by nature's untouched beauty. If you seek peace, adventure, and a deep connection with nature, a boat ride here is a journey you won't forget. The journey begins as you step onto a traditional wooden boat, drifting along the peaceful river. The gentle ripples of the water and the rhythmic strokes of the oar create a soothing harmony. The air is fresh, carrying the scent of nature, while the warm sun casts a golden glow on the water's surface. The only sounds accompanying you are the soft splash of the oar and the occasional whisper of the wind through the towering limestone formations, enhancing the sense of tranquility. As you navigate through winding waterways, breathtaking scenery slowly unfolds before your eyes. Towering limestone mountains rise dramatically on either side, while dense green forests stretch endlessly along the riverbanks. The stillness of the water mirrors the surrounding beauty, creating a sense of harmony between land and water, untouched by time. The boatmen's expert skills and deep knowledge of the area make the journey even more special. Their stories of the land and its history add depth to the adventure, making it not just a sightseeing tour, but a cultural and historical experience as well. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or simply seeking an escape from the bustling city life, this boat ride offers the perfect opportunity to unwind and embrace the beauty of Vietnam's natural heritage. New wonders reveal themselves with each turn, making every moment on the water a discovery. One of the most thrilling parts of the journey is passing through hidden caves where time seems to stand still. The cool air, the mysterious echoes, and the shimmering stalactites reflecting on the water create an atmosphere of wonder and intrigue. The sound of water droplets falling from the cave ceiling enhances the feeling of stepping into an ancient, untouched world. Each cave holds its secrets, with rock formations resembling mystical creatures and legendary figures. Guides often share stories and folklore surrounding these caves, making the experience even more captivating. As the sun sets, casting golden hues over the river, the experience leaves you with memories of tranquility and wonder. Are you ready to explore Ninh Binh hidden beauty? Let EasyTour help you plan the perfect adventure. Contact us today to start your unforgettable journey.